Hello. Today we'll see about one of the scheduling algorithm in OS, that is shortest job first. As its name telling, what it will do is which has the shortest time or to complete it, that process will do first. This is what happening. But today I will show you how it will be work with the non-preemptive and preemptive. The concept is actually same only, which is asking the shortest, that we will do it, that we knows, but it is changing according to the preemptive and non-preemptive. So as you know, the difference of preemptive and non-preemptive is, if it is not preemptive, if that process is started, we can't remove from that, it has to complete. So the which are higher, any higher priority process is coming also, it has to wait, cannot take it back without completing. That is a non-preemptive. But in preemptive, means if I am getting a shortest job process and I'm started after 1 or 2 minutes or not to the seconds or whatever according to the time, next one process is coming that has the shortest job than the process what it is working, so it will keep for a wait and the another process will work. So that is the difference of preemptive and non-preemptive shortest job first scheduling algorithm. So same problem, I will show you how the Gantt chart will be different from this both of the no, non-preemptive and preemptive algorithm. So I will show you the same problem. Okay. Yeah. Now first we'll see about this one, that is a non-preemptive. So here you can see the process, and we'll take the pencil. Yeah. Okay. So these are the process, and these are the no the timings. Arrival time. BT means the burst time. Uh, no. Burst time means, according to burst time, we'll come to know which one has the shortest job. So now in the Gantt chart, no, it is a non-preemptive. So anyway, at the arrival time of 0, okay, only one process is there. That is which one? P1. It has 8. So I am writing here P1. Okay, and it will be 0 to 8. Okay, so that means in between 0 to 8, the time of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, there are some process came with again shortest than this, but I couldn't remove. Okay, so at any cost, I have to complete it. So when P1 is over, now what is the next? What is next? That means it is now 0 to 8. That means this P2 process came, P3 process came, P4 process came, because these are the arrival times, say 3, 4, 6. So I have 8, right? So these all the process came from this, which is the shortest one? P4 with the 3, right? So I will write P4, okay, P4. And what is that? P4, 8 plus 3, it is 11. Okay, so actually in between 10 timing it came. Who came? P5 came, but I couldn't remove because it is a non-preemptive. Okay, now after P4, now we have to see which is the less one, which is the smallest one. Now I can see this P5. Okay, so P5 is the smallest one. P5. So 11 plus no 2, it is 13. Next after P5, I can take it as P2. No, next is small only P2 only. So P2, what is the time? 13 plus 4, that is 17. And next is coming P3, right? P3 will be 5, so it will be 22. This much only my Gantt chart. So it is easy. So what is happening once a process is kept there, then I couldn't remove. But what I checked is, see, started only 0, only this process is there. That's why I started 8. Okay, but before 8, I have in between this all 3, 4, 6 came. So in that one, which is smallest, I am taken. But in the first come first serve means, I will see actually the no, it is not like the shortest of, we will see which order it is came. Now here we are seeing the no burst time, according to the burst time we are taking. Now no, this is very easy actually, non-preemptive. So what is the CT? What is the completion time? Completion time of P1 is 8, right? 8. And completion time of P2 is 17. And completion time of P3 it is 22. Completion time of P4 it is 11. Completion 11. Completion time of P5 it is 13. Okay. Now, yeah. Now TT equal to CT minus 80. So 8 minus 0 it is 8. Okay. 17 minus 3 equal to 14. 22 minus 4 is equal to 18. 11 minus 6 equal to 5. 13 minus 10 is equal to 3. Okay. Now WT equal to TT minus BT. Now 8 minus 8, 0. 14 minus, no, it is 10. 18 minus 5, it is 13. 5 minus 3 equal to 8. Sorry, 5 minus 3 equal to 2. 3 minus 2 equal to 1. Okay. Response timings, first response minus 80. P1 first response is 0. 0 minus 0, 0. Then this first response of P2 equal to what? 13. 13 minus 3, it is 10. Then what's the response of P3? P3 will be 17. 17 minus 4 equal to 13. And first response of P4, it is 8. 8 minus 6 equal to 2. P5 first response 11. 11 minus 10 is equal to 1. Okay. Then you have to find out, okay, average that you know, right? Add all these, divide by 5. You will get average. Okay. Like that we have to show. This is preemptive. So now I will show you the same question. If we are in, we previously solved non-preemptive. Now we will solve with the preemptive. Okay. So this is no little not like a difficulty, just to see how it is. Okay. Now, so same thing. We are starting with which one? Arrival time of P0. Who is there? Only P1 is there. So I am keeping here P1. I'm starting 0. Actually, P1 has to complete how much time? 8 is there. Okay. But always what we are doing, I am starting P0. Then 1 unit will complete. Okay. Then I will see in the time of on anyone came. Anyone came? No. So I'm continuing. Okay. In 1 I am continuing. Now I am seeing the time. So 1 more unit over. So 8 minus 1. Now it is 7. Now I am seeing the time of 2. The time of 2 anyone came. The time of 2 anyone came. Nobody came. Okay. Now arrival time 2 nobody is there, right? So next I am seeing arrival time 3. That arrival time 3. Who one more person came? Who came? P2 came with a 3. Okay. So actually I already completed 2 units. That means I am now in the 8. I am in the sixth time. Okay. I am in sixth time. But who came now? The time of 3 who came? P2. P2 came with a 4 only. So that means now that is only less, right? So the time of 3, time of T, P2 came, he has the less job. So what I will do, I will remove. Okay, P1 remove. P1 how much is now pending? 8 minus 3. Now 5 is pending. Okay, 5 is pending here and I will be shifting. I will be shifting there and waiting. Okay. Okay, now like waiting queue also I can draw here. The P1 will wait here. Okay, P1, how much is there? P1 left out is 5 is there. Now I am now who will come here? P2 will come here. Okay, P2 will start now. P2 1 unit will reduce, 3 will go as 3. Okay, that means my time is now 4. Time of 4 who came? Who came? Time of 4 who came? P3 came, but he has 5. That it is less than this now. So anyway, I won't consider P3. I will continue with the P2 only. So now it will be what? Now P2 will be 4. Okay. Now that means now I am in the time of 4. Time of 5, 4 who came? This P3 also came, but I can't take because it is 3 only. Now it is 5, right? So I will continue with the P2 only 4. Next, I will add one more. Now I am in 5. I am in 5 here. No, 3 minus it is 2. Okay, now I am the time of 5. In the time of 5, anyone came? Nobody came. Okay, now I am in the time of now next I am in the time of 6. I'm in the time of 6 who came? P4 came with what's the time unit? 3. Okay, but anyway, I want here only 2, no? So I will continue, I will complete P2 only because I have P2 having 1. So P2 now completed, I can remove P2. Now here P1 up to 7, P2 only will come. Okay. Next, now I am in this time of 7. Who all are there already? One all there, which is P1, P2 only over, right? Now P4 is there. Okay, that already 6 only, so it is he is there. P3 also there, right? So in these two, and P1 also there with the 5, right? P1 is there with the 5, he has to complete it, and only P2 is completed and went. P1 now having 5, P3 having 5, P4 having 3. These people are there. So in this case, whom you will take P4 only, right? Because P4 only less. So we'll take it as P4. Before, don't simply add like 7 plus 3 10 like that is you are not supposed to add. Okay, not like that is in the what in the like round robin. Here now you will add by 1 by 7. Now it will go at as 8. Okay, 1 unit over 8. In the time of 8 anyone is came like that you have to check. The time of 8 anyone is came, no. So P4 now 3 minus 1 it is 2, right? So now in the time of 8 nobody came. In the time of 9 anyone came, no. So I am doing one more. Now one more is pending. Now the time of 10. That means now I already completed P4. But at the same time one more person came with the 2. So now P4 completed. 10 is over. Okay. Now P5 also came 2. So now one are pending. This 5 is there. Okay, this 5 is there. This 5 is there. This 2 is there. Who is the shortest one? P5 is the shortest one. How much time? Only 2. Okay, so what I will do it? I will write 12. Now who are all there? P1 is 5 and P3 is 5. Like this, both are 5 means first come first serve. So I will take P1 here. P1 to 12 plus 5 it is 17. And next to which one? P3. P3, what is this? P3 is 8, yeah, 17 plus 5, 22. This is the Gantt chart. Okay. So, like this and all, you no need of writing here. How you can write it as like, no, after, no, first if you are drawing, no, you don't know, no, because time by time, one by you don't need to tell your drawing. So, after this, you can rub it or you can redraw neatly at, see like 0, 3, 0, 2, 3. Next, P2, 3 to how much it came? P2, 7. Next P4. P4 7 to 10. Okay. Next after P4 P5 came, right? No, P5. P5 12 P1 17 P3 P3 22. Okay, so you see the previous one and this one having this one, the same question, but it is non-preemptive. So what is the Gantt chart? P1, P4, P5, P2, P3. Okay, but here see P1, P2, P4. So question is same, but because of the preemptive and non-preemptive, the answer is very. The CT, TT, completion time and all as it is the same thing. So completion time of P1, what is the answer? Completion time of P1 is, sorry, 17. 17. Completion time of P2 it is 7. P3 completion time is 22. P4 completion time is no here 6 3. P4 completion time is 10, and P5 completion time is 12. TCT minus 80, 17 minus 0 17. Like that you have to complete it. Okay, CT, WT, and response time you have to find out, and finally you have to find out average of all. Okay, it is same as our, if you're after drawing the Gantt chart, remaining same only. All this how to find out completion TT this and all, it's same only. But only while drawing the Gantt chart, you have to be very careful. When remaining, everything will be correct. What remaining means completion time, turnaround time, variant time, everything calculation will be same. It is okay. So what you have to remember in the non-preemptive, we are starting with the value. We are starting with no. Here it is. Yeah. We are starting with a 0, and once we are finding which is the shortest one, that we can't remove it, that we have to continue. Next, why it is not taken 3? Because in the time of 0 to 8, which other process came? 3, 4, 6 came. In that, which is the shortest one, that you have to complete it. You are not supposed to switching for that. But in the preemptive, what is happening? 1 second. Okay, so in if you have a doubt what you have to do, you have to draw like this, like this. Okay, first see one unit, 0 to 1, 0 to 1, what happened, which one taken? P1 taken. Next, 1 to 2, again any who is coming, nobody coming, so P1 only will continue. Like this, 1 unit you can draw it. And finally all together, if it is like, see, P1 is continuous coming, so 0 to 2 together you can write like this. Like this you can draw the Gantt chart neatly. Okay, then after this, find all this turnaround time, waiting time and all, find the average. Okay, this is only. Now the same problem you try with this preemptive and non-preemptive, then you will understand what is the what is the difference between them. Fine. Hope it is very clear for you. Do the problem and solve by yourself. And if you have any queries, you can message down of my my video. Thank you.